Hello, my name is Isabel Martinez and I'm going to show you how I use Google Classroom. As I work as a cosmetics teacher for students with special needs, I use Google Classroom for the students to feel comfortable working with iPads and laptops. This way, we break class monotony of using traditional methods. First of all, I've created a virtual class for every subject where I can post my material, task, and question. As you can see here, I've got an example of every type of post. Here, I've got a material post where I put the information for the students to study this term. Here, I have a question task where the students answer to my question and I can evaluate them. And here, I've got a normal task where the students send me their work and I can put due dates. These due dates can also be seen in the Google Calendar. The Google advantages are that you can also use other Google services, such as Google Calendar as you have seen before, or Google Docs. Here I have an example of a Google Doc. This is one of my docs that I use for my classes. This is an easy way for the students to collaborate and work in groups. Since I've started working with Google Classroom, my students have improved their marks and completed their tasks just on time. The learning outcomes when the students use this app are communication improvements, learning how to work in teams, and stimulate their challenge resolution ability. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope the information is useful for your own classes.